Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Sue and I have received another Paper Club package. Now this one was a separate one that I ordered. I was going to renew my subscription that I had for the last 3 months, and when I was on the website I came across this Paper Club one that was about cats. So I thought instead of getting just a random one, I'll order a cat one. So I'm not sure what exactly will be in here, but I'm assuming stationery about cats. So if you like cats, it may be a good option for you. Let's have a look. Okay, so just get rid of the packaging. Okie dokes. Alright, let's have a look. Oh, I can see a cat postcard. Cat lovers only. So we have the postcard, which you tend to get a postcard in each one. It's basically the explains about the Paper Club. And that does not look like a cat. Put more swag in your wag. Okay, I was expecting cat stuff, so a little disappointed. I think it's an advertisement actually, so yeah, it's an advertisement for a pet, where's it? Pet care brand, and basically if you use the code you'll get a discount. Okay, so that's okay. Oh, look at that. That is so gorgeous. Oh, that's beautiful. I love that. I'm assuming blank inside. Fur Babies Candlebark Creations. So that's gorgeous. And another one. I hope you get everything you want. Happy birthday. So another cat one. Squeeze the short hair said the last year she got 37 presents. Squeezle the short hair said that last year she got 37 presents. Okay. I'm not sure if that's what's inside the card. Time to party. Oh, as in party. It's your birthday. Bit slow here. Don't mind me. Sam the Sphinx is going to be cleaning up confetti for the next 3 months. Okay. So there's that one. Alright. Oh, okay. We've got some twine, which, oh, I guess that comes for these, maybe. ID tag and bell. Oh, okay, let's just open those, shall we? So this is the from the company that this was advertising, I think. Yep, Rufus and Coco. So obviously they do cat care products. So we have a cat little charm and another little bell one. So I guess you can put those around your cat if you have a cat that likes wearing a, what are they called, thing around their neck. I can't even think what they're called. My cat doesn't, and she doesn't go outside, so it's not really a problem anyway. But I guess I can use those on a journal or something. Paper Club pencil, which I've had before, and we have this note paper, which is quite a bit, so it's got cats on it, so that's good. And we have these poster things. Not sure what I'm going to do with these. I've got a couple now, not sure. I'll find something. Now, what's this? Origami Cat Toy with string. Ah, so that's what the string's for. It's for this. So you're basically making a butterfly for your cat. So it is assuming you have a cat. Actually, I might just drop down a little bit. That's probably better. Okay, so that's what that is. So you cut that out, fold it, and make a butterfly. And the string goes with that. Cat Care Tracker. Hello, my name is, oh I see, so you fill it in with your cat's information. Okay, that's quite cute. And oh, vaccination history. Okay, so actually I will be able to use those because I can pop those in my cat's information sort of folder thing that I have. So I will be able to use those, so that's good. and the usual freebie thingy-majig that you get with the survey. Alright, so that was in this package. So if you thought you might like some of that stuff, check out the website and see if they've got any left. Alright, just a short video, so thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye for now.